How to change the button cover of your Shopify store. From the left hand side here, we want to click on online store under sales channels, and this will take us to the page for our themes. So if we want to change the button cover, then we will scroll down a little bit until you see your currently used theme here, and we will just click on customize next to it. So this will take us to the page editor itself, and right here, if you would like to change the button cover, then you will go to theme settings and you will see an option for colors right here. So if we just click on it, then we can choose a color scheme or create a new scheme altogether. So I'm just going to click on create scheme, and you will see this option for buttons. So we got solid button background, solid button colors, and outline button here. So if we want to change the color of the button itself, we will just click on this option and change it to our liking here. And we can also do the solid button label here. We can change this color as well, and the outline color here if we would like to change that. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.